ka pwede Appropriations Committee Chairman kung walang basbas sa langit. Well, you mentioned the name Saldico. I was in the House of Representatives from 1987 to 1992. In the Senate from 92 to 95 and from 95 to 2001 when my term ended. And I will tell you, over my dead body, no one becomes chairman of the Appropriations Committee unless it is with the approval of the President. You think we congressmen at that time could determine who the Appropriations Committee chairman would be if Malacanang says, I don't like that guy? No. So you mentioned the name, no? So this is just how I feel because during our time, I know for a fact, hindi ka pwede Appropriations Committee chairman kung walang basbas sa langit.